Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Google Voice typing on Android. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, go ahead and open up any messaging app where you can go ahead and pop off your keyboard. Okay. So just for example, I have the messaging app here open. I'm going to tap on it and then just tap on settings or the gear icon. And then once you're in here, just basically scroll all the way down until you find voice input. Okay. Or in some devices, it may say voice typing. So just go ahead and tap on that option. And then once you're in here, you'll be able to see a voice typing method. So what you're going to do is just basically tap on none. Okay. Now, another option, if you can't see or find this specific setting, well, just go ahead and open up your settings app. Use the search bar right here at the top. And just type down voice type. Okay. As you can see, we have Google Voice Typing under General Management. So just tap on it and disable it. Okay. And that's basically it. That's how you turn off Google Voice Typing on Android. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.